So these curve fitting methods are straight line y is equal to a plus bx. Another method, parabola. If the curve is parabola, if it's like parabola, then you have to select the parabola curve. Okay, for the parabola, the analytical function is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. If it is another curve like S curve, y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cubed. Sometimes exponential, y is equal to e power a plus bx. Normally the demands will be exponential only. Okay, why exponential? Because in this year, if 10 megawatts is raised, second year some additional industries 2 to 3 are people are becoming advanced. Okay, buying advanced equipments. Okay, and usage is more, because for every country, in order to prosper, they have to use energy more. Okay, that is the law. So if any country uses more power, then for that country the economy, you can say, is increasing. So for that, as every year every country wants to grow, so the demand will be mainly exponential. So mainly for all our problems, in many cases we will take exponential. So what is the function? The y is equal to e power a plus bx. One more function is there, Gomberg function. Y is equal to ln inverse a plus bex. Okay, now mainly we are concentrating on this function here. One more thing here, if this function is there, what about these constants? What are these coefficients? I'm sorry, these coefficients, how to find? In order to find the coefficients, the most common method to find the coefficient is method of least squares. So extrapolation, we have to tabulate, then curve fitting, we have to select one function, then we have to find the coefficients. For finding coefficients, with which method we have to use? Method of least squares. So now in this method of least squares, what is this method of least squares? Before going to this definition, so first draw the curve, and I told you normally the curve will be exponential. Let the demand expressed as exponential function, that is power demand of ith year. Power demand of ith year is equal to, what is the curve for the exponential? E power a plus bx. So now if I represent like this, e power I plus b, this x I am writing it as xi minus x0. What is this one? So we'll see here, PDI, this is peak load or peak demand in megawatt in ith year. This I is for ith year. Next one, xi. What is xi? This xi, the ith year in which the peak load is considered. So if I want the ith year is like, if I want to find 2021, so xi will be which one? This year. Now x0, the base year. The base year is, if you are taking like this 2019 to 2020, you have to find, that is xi. If you are taking this as the base year, so this will be your x0. This will be your x0. Now so this xi, and what about this one? This is e power a plus bxi. So what is xi? Xi is equal to xi minus, this is capital xi, this is small xi minus x0 we have taken. I think you are following. Okay, next, as this is the exponential function, in order, the calculation will be difficult for us. So what I am taking, the either side I am taking log base e, that means ln pdi. If I take here, this will become a plus bxi. Okay, so now once again ln pdi I am representing as yi. So this yi is equal to a plus bxi. Okay, if I take ln pdi as yi ln pdi, so yi is equal to a plus bxi.